time to eat trees. Murder.
Is my head ulting or am I actually killing the kid?
You're ulting.
Oh.
Jesus!
What?
That struck right on the shells. That flashbanged me. Swear to God, if I see a speck of a fire, I'm all there for him.
That wasn't my fault. I'm having fun with my kid.
Sorry, child. I'm currently consuming the forest.
I didn't do it this time.
Oh, I have environment sounds off. I didn't see that. All of that, like, yay! Yay!
No, I don't
So
want to
back
go
down
back
we
down.
go.
That's a lot of effort.
I'm going back down. If I die from anything, it's not gonna be a fire. What do you mean? Where? What are you looking at?
I don't see a fire.
I swear to God, Mitzi. Behind the mountain? Behind this mountain? Towards Rock Pond? Hey, you! I'm running off the cliffs, guys. I'm running off the shelves.